Right, today's mission is to find the source of this little river. Natural, I don't know, whatever it's called. Natural waterfall, natural, God, I forgot what the name of it. But yeah, we're heading to find its source. Oh, sugar. So this is Peak District in England. So yeah, so I think we're gonna carry on somewhere there to go and look for the source. So let's go. But anyway, it's not the River Nile. So I wish we were kind of somewhere in Africa, going to look for the search for the source of the River Nile. That would have been great. Imagine the crocodiles we'll find on our way. But anyway, that's a group.